What is this globalization? It is the connection of different parts of the world, resulting the expression of international, cultural, economic, and political activities. It means different type of culture, different type of economic and political activities. If you want to done here, so there is need of globalization. Globalization, it means how to increase the import-export procedures, how to send our goods out of India's border, or we can say that out of our country's border. Okay, so it is possible with the help of globalization. If we want to invite another companies here for investing their money here, or we want to provide a good market to foreign companies, so in that condition competition will increase, and after increasing competition may be possible that quality goods we can purchase, consumer can purchase quality goods, right? So this is the globalization. In globalization, in short. Next one is here, what are the advantages of pros? P-R-O-S, pros or advantages, both are same. So globalization's benefit, we can say that free flow of technology. If we have no technology, in that condition we can import technology from another countries. So that is called, we can take the benefit from another country's technology. Next is increasement in industrialization. New companies can come here, they can invest their money, and it means we can say we can enjoy the FDI, foreign direct investment. Company can invest here, they can establish their industries here, and our unemployment problem will reduce, and we can get also cheapest product. Next, spread of production facilities. Same as here, production facilities increasement. It means if goods is here, in that condition we can purchase in cheapest manner. Next, increase production and consumption. If production is here, so consumption is here. If goods is available, so we can purchase. If goods is not available, so we can't purchase. So this type of facility we can also get. Next is higher standard of living. Place of quantitative goods, we want to use quality goods. So we have to move, or we have to switch to qualitative goods place of quantitative goods. Higher standard of living. Every person live according to their standard, but after globalization may be possible that we have to choose better and better product in our income, limited income. Next one is loss or negative effects. What are the negative effects? Loss of domestic industries. Domestic industries decline because their manufacturing costs increase. So if domestic company produce any type of goods, so they will produce very little or very less product, but they want to sell in higher prices. So every person will purchase according to their income. It is not possible this goods related to our India, so in that condition at higher prices I will purchase according to my income. So may be possible that what is the effect of globalization? That type of industry will ruin or demolish, or we can say finished. Unemployment increase. Only technological, or we can say skillful person can work. Unskillful person, illiterate person can't work. So unemployment increase. Dominance of foreign industries like that, we can think about the China. So many persons, or in our country, whole country are using Chinese product, Only one reason is here, that they are cheapest. In that condition, we can say dominance of China. We can see in our market decline in income. Every inflation is increasing. So due to inflation, but salary not increase. So more and more investment on consumption. So decline in income. Our income we earn and spend and exploits human resources. Human resources exploitation. Uh, Due to demand, many companies demand product. So in that condition, factories exploit the workers. They don't want to pay more and more, but they want to take work. So human resources are exploited. These are the globalization. Then what is the conclusion of liberalization, privatization, globalization? So we can say liberalization policy. If you want to ignore the drawback of liberalization, privatization, and globalization, so we can see that positive effect more and more. So when the role of private sector increase, so government sector control will decrease, or we can say that it is necessary that if private sector will increase, so our nation will grow, our economic condition will grow, and after some time may be possible that we will create good economic situation. So this is the topic of new economic policy, LPG. This is you understand this topic also. So please like and share this video. Thank you.